In this video, I'm going to show you how to use BabyPips position size calculator. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then up here you want to hover over tools, and then you want to click on position size calculator. Now when you do this, it's going to take you here to their calculator. You want to scroll down, and this is where you basically have the calculator you can start using. So to do this, I'm just going to run a sample right now. Of course, you can do for yourself whatever you want to, whatever numbers actually work for you. I'm going to do account balance here, and we're just going to do 10K. There we go. And then the currency is going to be USD. Risk percentage, I'm just going to do 2%. Stop loss in pips, I'm just going to do 5 over here, just a random number. And then the currency pair, you can select whichever one you want. I'm going to do GBP USD. And then you want to click on calculate. And there we go. There's your results. You'll be able to see the amount to risk, your position size in units, your standard lots, mini lots, and then micro lots. Okay, so that's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.